I'm actually getting a little bit more like, ooh, I see what we talking about. Ooh, I get it.
This is why they broke in your soap paper.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey girl, hey boy, how you doing? How you feeling? Ooh. Oh, it's Friday, y'all. It's Friday. I don't really know what that was supposed to mean. I don't even know what that was supposed to mean. All right, y'all. So we are back. We are doing this butter this week. We are giving you all kind of butter. So today I am reviewing this Sensationnel Butta unit number 5. Number 5. She's alive, y'all. She's alive. I'm sorry, y'all. I don't know why I'm so crunk right now, but let's go ahead and talk about this beauty. So this is Butta unit number 5. I don't know if you saw my review on Monday. You might want to catch that video and you might want to watch the whole thing because, you know, just check that video out. So I recently reviewed Butta Unit 6. I know I'm going a little bit backwards, but it's life. We don't have no real plans. We just do it, okay? Guys, do you see how I'm coming to life? First of all, let me give y'all an update. Okay. So this has nothing to do with the video, okay? I just want to talk to y'all real quick because I like y'all. And if you don't like what I gotta say, just click past story time and click into whatever. Anyway, so in that video I did talk about my family messing up my videos. My husband left for the whole week, y'all, and I've been sad. I've been so sad. And the kids left. It's quiet. The dog is gone. Y'all don't see no dog in my videos. Like, they all gone. They went to go visit their cousin for the week, give mama a break, and it's all good. I'm having a woosah moment, but I'm missing my family. Okay, back to the video. Back to the video.
2 hours later.
So this is the Sensationnel Butta unit number 5. All right, I have the color Flamboyage Mocha. If you're not familiar with Butta units, guys, I don't know what y'all doing with your lives. I mean, we're quarantined. All you can do is just sit on the couch, watch videos, and catch up on stuff. So you need to catch up, okay? We on number 5. Sensationnel has came out with these Butta units. We are on 1 through 6. I recently saw that they did come out with 7, and today as I'm filming this, they on number 8. Oh my God, I don't know what I'm supposed to do. Sensationnel, holla at your girl. Send her a unit, man. Okay? Send her something. But anyway, we're on unit number 5, and I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I was a little bit burned out with these butters. I did do Butta 1, Butta 3, Butta, whew, they all blending together, y'all. I did a lot of them. So I'm used to the concept of these Butta units, and I was just like, you know what, this one kind of looks like Butta unit 4 to me, but it's bigger and it's it's more curls. So I was like, I don't need to review her, but I'm glad I did. Okay, this is different. This is totally different than Butta unit number 4. This unit does come with that lace part in the middle. It also has your 2 combs in the front, your 1 in the back, and all that woo-sa woo-sa. This is known because it's giving us that Butta effect. You know, you can melt it. I actually did go ahead and show you guys how I melted this one on camera because I think I'm seeing a cast. Am I seeing a cast? I don't know. I'm gonna talk to y'all while I'm trying to fix the cast. That's what you get for having nice ring lights. This Butta unit actually says it's virtually undetectable lace. I do like these Butta units, you know. At first with Butta unit 1, I was a little turned off. That was the bob. But doing all these other ones, I'm actually getting a little bit more like, oh, I see what we talking about. Oh, I get it, okay? This one is more Shirley Temple vibe-ish than Butta unit number 4. It's a little bit longer, and this is a big, voluptuous curls. Now, secret about me, I don't like curls. I know these curls look good on me, but growing up, I did not like curls. You don't believe me? Ask my cousin. Ask my cousin. She probably watching this video. She used to do my hair. She was my cosmetologist and always told me she wanted to put curls in my hair, and I always wanted it straight. But these curls are hitting. Do you see these curls? Okay? When I saw a couple of these reviews, I was like, okay, maybe I could pass on this one. It's not that, you know, it's not that hype. Like, what's the big deal? But honestly, guys, putting this unit on is so different than seeing it on camera. I don't even know if that makes sense, but it's a vibe. It's a whole vibe. I'm liking the texture of this unit. I'm liking this flamboyage mocha. It's like this peekaboo effect right here with this blonde. It's like I'm blonde, but I'm not blonde. Peekaboo, I'm blonde. That's what's going on, you know? You have like this nice chocolate color right here, and it's just a whole vibe. So I did do a little flip over method for you guys. I do want to show you 2 other styles because I feel like, you know, it's either like a flip over or a part. That's all you can pretty much do because you don't get any lace parting. But I do want to show y'all some styles, so let's go and see some styles real quick. Okay, let's go.
Come on.
Okay, beauties, so we're done with the different styling. I showed you a different couple looks with this unit. You can do a lot with her. I am not the type to comb out and brush out my curly synthetic units because I know that once you do that, there's no turning back. You can go in and finger comb this. I feel like with a unit like this, all you need to do is honestly kind of shake it, you know, and it'll kind of come to life. But I don't like to pull through it too much because I feel like the older it gets, the more bigger and bigger she's going to look and more realistic she's going to look. So I just kind of let my synthetic units do its thing over time, but to each his own. You can go in with maybe a little bit of foam and kind of, you know, do what you feel like you need to do with your unit. Okay, I'm telling you what I need to do. That last style, I would probably do the whole wrap up thing when this starts to get old and, you know, you don't have much to do with her. That's when I would use that. But you could do a lot. You could do the space buns, you could put it in the middle, you could do a lot. I was a little bit scared of this unit at first, but I might be looking like the cowardly lion, but this girl ain't cowardly. You can't be cowardly when you're wearing a unit like this, okay? You need to own it. I do like the curls on here. I feel like the curls on this one will actually hold up. They're nice. I feel like these curls kind of will hold up, but she definitely will get bigger over time. I know I could keep flipping her. I'm not even showing y'all what she's looking like in the middle. This is what she's looking like in the middle. See, I told y'all I look like the cowardly lion when I put her in the middle. So you have some options with her. I like the flip over effect. There's so many other colors. Again, in this unit, you have a lot of these flamboyage colors, like this flamboyant. I'm wearing the flamboyage mocha. You have some flamboyage blondes and all of that. And that is just like these peekaboo effects here. But if you don't like that, you could get the ones with like the root and the color at the bottom. So I'm liking these. I'm really digging this unit, even though I'm saying that and I might end up selling her, but she's cute. She's cute. I can tell y'all she cute though. She cute. Anyway, let me know what you guys are thinking about this unit. Do you like her? Because I'm feeling her. I'm digging her. Make sure your notifications are on. Hit that subscribe button. And make sure you're subscribed. I mean, because we dropping a lot of heat on this channel, okay? There's a lot of random giveaways and a lot of randomness going on. I'm not really structured on this channel, so you might need to subscribe and turn those notification bells all the way up, because I just be doing it random, like bam, bam, bam. That's how I'm feeling today, okay? And until next time, beauties, I'll talk to you later. Bye.